Hey guys, welcome back to Girly Girl Sparkle. Today we're going to be doing the Telepathic Slime Challenge. Today we're going to be guessing, trying to be telepathic and to see if we can get the right combinations to make the exact same slime in the bowl. Let's get onto it. Hey. We have round 1 and round 2. We're only doing 2 rounds. And then at the end, we will add in our borax. So, let's get round 2 out of the way. Okay, good. And we're not allowed to cheat and go because that would not be fair. So,
because then you would obviously pick a
okay, we're going to do rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yeah,
I think go first. Okay. I know which one I want.
You got it?
Yep. 1, 2, 3.
Yay!
We did it. Okay, so now we're going to add a little bit of, well, she just adds the whole bowl.
Probably.
Like a little swirl. Come out. Glitter glue is pretty hard to get out because it's like, scrape it, girl. Scrape it.
Yeah,
okay.
You have to scrape it.
I have to see if I can do this.
Okay, I'm getting it in the bowl.
Never actually used glitter glue.
Never.
Is that just what to the point?
Only for sometimes have we ever used normal glue, like with food color glue.
Or sometimes just
clear glue.
Yeah, so this is a new experience for us. And on videos I've seen it's really hard to get out this stuff because it's so thick with all the glitter. Got it all out?
Yeah.
Okay, so in there it's kind of like dripping.
We shall be having this.
Okay, let's see, we have kind of the same. Yeah, just about so.
Mine's just
now,
scattered all.
Round 1 we're done and we didn't use this one because we didn't. Because if she would have got the purple, then she would have it and I would have the white or something. So, let's push these out of our way. Get out. Get out.
So now we gotta grab.
So now we have round 2.
We gotta grab these.
And
wait,
this just shimmers in the light. Yes. So we didn't have 2 purple clays, so we just have to make one. And it's okay if it's a little bit swirly because it will end up not so. So we have shaving cream and clay to make a butter slime. So let's see who's gonna go first this round. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Me again. Okay.
We keep picking the same things. Go something.
Yes. Ready, set, show. Oh, yeah. We're so good.
We got this telepathic thing down. Time to add it.
Okay, that's enough.
It
looks like a nice. You good?
That looks
Here, let me help. No. Okay. Oops. See, Daisy. Okay, guys. So, it's not too sturdy, so I'm going to have to squish it together. Okay. Now we got it. So now, just shake up hers a little better. Get parted.
Okay, that's way too much.
How much I added. Okay, so now
that
we have to
looks
get
like
those.
whipped cream.
Yeah, it does look like cream. And sadly, that would have been my first time making butter slime. I was like, I don't know how to really do it. And this isn't a lot of clay, so now we're gonna mix.
I don't know if I have enough.
We might have to put a little bit more glue in both of ours, so then it can be.
Yeah, because we have too much shaving cream.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more glue, and then you can. So then they will be, because we both put glitter glues.
Yeah, and we added way too much shaving cream.
Yeah, we added like way too much.
Well, you added too much to mine, and you added too much to yours.
But gotta be really fluffy.
It will be fluffy.
Okay, add a little, kind of like 2 plops of it.
Well, once it comes out, it'll be
unless it comes out.
Maybe
looks like marshmallows tinted purple.
Oh yeah, that's
now it's
too
turning
much.
What?
Way too much.
No, it's not. I have way more shaving cream. Don't want to knock down it again.
It looks like, I bet Girly Got Sparkle over here, right? Said this, but it looks like
marshmallows.
Yeah, it looks like either like.
And guys, do not eat glue or shaving foam because it's not good. Not good at all. And it's like even though glue is non-toxic, it's still not good to eat it.
Yeah, so, never eat any of these ingredients, especially borax.
Yeah. Okay, is yours thickening up?
Mine's going together.
You need a little bit more shaving foam still.
I have too much shaving foam.
I have the right amount, guys. This will give me the most fluffiest, puffiest, biggest, not biggest, because I've made a really big slime.
Yeah.
Check out that video, guys.
Right after this one, though.
Yeah, don't skip right now.
She made probably the biggest slime we've ever
Not in the world, but it's the biggest slime I've ever made. Okay, let's see if
I wasn't in that video.
Ooh. Looks like ice cream when I went like that, like.
It looks like grape ice cream. Was the thing.
Mine's not as purple as yours. You need to go like this.
Mine's not as
Mine's
puffy
like a
as
marshmallow
hers.
cloud when we made the other slime. When we didn't add in the blue and red yet. So now it's just like when we didn't add it, and then it was like the giantest cloud in the world.
Look at that, how satisfied it is.
Mine's like more shaving foamy, and hers is more not liquid, but like.
Comment down below whose slime you think will look the best at the end. Like right now.
You need to get it.
I think mine will look the best.
Okay, so now ours is pretty good mixed, but we're gonna just add some water to our borax, and then we'll catch on and we're pouring it. Okay, so we have the it's not boiling, but like hot water.
Yes,
and you don't want to touch it because it's really hot. You don't want to burn yourself, so don't touch the outside. Just touch the rim, the handle, sorry, and then we have our borax to add in as we need. So
the borax over here.
Yeah, you can grab your borax. I already did. So then we're gonna actually add in clay because we thought it would be pretty fun too, even though it's kind of cheating on the twin telepathy challenge. But as long as we did this telepathy or something,
it's really hard to
still
say.
add clay because it's really fun.
It's like two mighties. Twin telepathy challenge.
Good, you did it.
I did it.
So I'm gonna add. We're gonna add this in.
Wait, do we have to water it first? So
no, you add it in together. So you put some of this in here.
Oh, I didn't know that.
And then you want to stir. So we need to, wipe off this. So go like this on your bowl.
Wait, I need to add it into the hot water.
Yeah.
Do I add it all?
No, it's okay.
I saw some left.
And then wipe your handle on the side. So then, yep.
Do I have to should I just put this in?
And then you can actually start stirring like this.
Should I put this in? Can we get a sparkle?
Yes.
Even though it has slime on it?
Yeah, you still can kind of wipe with your finger because you have this paper towel.
I do.
I already used mine earlier. It's kind of big, so just set it down there.
Yeah.
So scrape it again. So then.
Wipe myself off.
So then, now I'm gonna start.
I got a paper towel over
Put
here.
almost one in. Okay. Now let's do.
You have to mix them.
Gotta be so precise on this. Just want to add a little bit in at a time. And
What do
you
you
need
mean by
all of
precise?
it. You want to make sure you do it correct. Oh yeah.
Not too much, but not too little.
left.
Just right.
Right. Just in the middle. It's already starting to look like marshmallow slime.
Heavy. Do you think that's enough?
Be careful.
Yeah. So heavy.
Mine's not as heavy.
Well, you have the small one. Okay, this is inside here. That was good.
It's so sticky.
Whatever happened over there, it sounded like it was bad. Where it was hilarious.
So, see?
It's turning into slime, definitely. Should I add a little more?
So you always want to kind of go like this to scrape the edges. Slime right now.
I think I should
So
add
then
just
you can have all of your slime instead of like half, and then like half it's still there. So
Should I add a little more?
what?
Should I add a little more?
Yeah, a little bit more, but you need to knead with your hands soon. Okay,
I take it off.
Princess
I need to use my hands. So then move the bowl so I can
Oh,
wipe
man.
my
Oh, man.
hands because I got some slime on my hands. Okay, I'll put that.
might be a little bit too much.
I'll need this. So just
Okay.
mix up a little more.
I wish I was. This is what happened last time, so I think I should start digging in with my hands because it's kind of starting not to stick, but it still sticks to this. So
Yeah, the slime's
I'm
working.
gonna like
Look at this.
hold this and scrape the edges like.
I
The
lifted
borax
up,
just
it
sprayed
falls
in
right
my
off.
face.
It's
The borax just sprayed in my face.
That's not good.
Yeah, you just want.
Look at this. The bottom of my bowl is completely like.
Yeah,
no
mine's
slime.
almost. Okay.
I think I should get in my hands now.
It's still sticky. I need to keep adding.
Too
I don't wanna get this,
wet. I think
Mine's too sticky.
mine's too unsticky.
Maybe a little bit.
I think I might
I
need
think it
paper
might be
towels
cooled
to
down.
this, cause.
Yeah, it's kind of cool.
Yep, I'm gonna get it with my hands now and start.
We both started at the like same time.
That's why they call this
Don't
the
put my
Princess
slime.
Lainey
Okay.
challenge. I'm
So
surprised
marshmallowy.
that it's like an actual slime.
You kind of want to stretch it so that it won't be like and it rips. So you kind of want to go like. Stuff mine's really fluffy.
Yep, I'm gonna need a paper
Mine's
towel
really
after this video.
You want to kind of keep going like this so then it.
I need to squish it. It's so satisfying. Even though I have no clue what that means.
Yeah, we don't really know what satisfying means, so like comment down below kind of
If
what it
you know
means.
what it
'Cause
means.
I don't know what satisfying is. This might be satisfying.
Yeah, it feels.
I know that clicking is satisfying, like this.
Comment down below, just like I said earlier, who has the best slime. I think it's me.
So we're gonna keep kneading and then we're gonna come back later when this is all done. So we're done cleaning up and our end results are pretty good. We have pretty good slimes. I decided not to do the clay because it wasn't soft enough and it was really hard to mix into a little bit of slime. So not gonna do that, and we have our end results. And like and subscribe and see who can make the biggest bubble right now.
Yeah.
Bubble contest. It's pretty sparkly. Like, see.
Ready? 5, 4,
Oh wait, mine broke.
5, 4,
Nope.
3, 2, 1. Oh, look at this.
You keep standing up and it got stuck to your shirt again. Okay, so
Yeah.
we're gonna.
Wait, not me. I need to.
You have to scooch over.
Scooch everyone. Slime. Got it.
1, 2, 3.
I'm not ready.
Oh yeah, babe.
Super
What do you
bubble.
call that?
And I'm definitely going to lose, so. But even if I make it at least.
Watch, guys.
No, you're going to wreck it.
It's
And
too
I'm.
indestructible.
It's indestructible. Do you know what? You know destructible?
Oh my, OMG, my finger's in the bubble and it haven't popped.
Okay, you can let go. I just lost.
Nope.
Can I put my finger in?
No.
You want to do this?
Look, guys, it haven't popped yet.
And her finger's in.
Okay, now it popped.
Side.
It was inside the bowl. Wow.
Wow. You should make a bubble so my hand inside it.
Okay.
Got my hand
Like and
ready.
subscribe again. And see who has the slime in the comments down below. Bye.